Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get new Venom in InVision's Web Verse. To unlock this powerful character, your main goal is to gather enough skill points. These points are crucial for progressing through the symbiote skill tree. Once you've collected all the necessary abilities, the new Venom will be yours to command. It's a straightforward process that rewards active gameplay. Earning skill points is essential for unlocking Venom. You can gain points by stopping various crimes across the city, such as enemy encounters or house fires. Pizza deliveries are also a reliable and quick way to accumulate points. Don't forget to engage in special events, like the Sandman crime, which can offer significant skill point bonuses. Consistent participation will quickly boost your progress. Once you have a good amount of skill points, head to the skill tree. Here, you'll find the symbiote abilities section. There are 6 unique skills to unlock, each with a different cost. For example, Symbiote Slam costs 25 points, while Symbiote Surge is 45. The ultimate ability, Symbiote Transformation, requires 125 points to acquire. After you have successfully unlocked all 6 symbiote abilities, including the powerful Symbiote Transformation, the new PS5 Venom character will automatically become available to you. There are no further steps required. It's a direct reward for your dedication. Now, you can fully experience the game as this incredible symbiote, utilizing all its unique powers and abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.